Good morning, everybody. This is Gabe with Phoenix Solar Gleam and Clean, and just want to do a quick video on how to clean windows for anybody looking to get into window cleaning business or for some do-it-yourselfers at home. Some quick tips and kind of where to get started. This morning I'm doing storefront. This is out here in Queen Creek, Arizona. Club Energy, great place to go. Get your fitness on. Great atmosphere. I love the owner. She's awesome. So I come here every week. So it's going to be a easy clean. But on Wednesday evenings, they have a pressure washing company that comes and does the floors. So obviously the windows get a lot dirty on the bottom and splashes stuff up, and then it's facing a certain area where the sun hits and it really gets dusty. So first things I do is obviously I come around and knock the dust off the top and stuff. You gotta want to get you something like this, a little dust cobweb grabber. I've got a pole here. This is an Unger pole. This works. It's also a traditional pole for window cleaning. So all the top windows are already good to go. So first things first, obviously you can use this to knock off everything. But since I'm already done with that, next thing you want to do, I got something like this, a little dust pad. So if you look at the sills here, they get pretty dusty, and it's not necessary every time, but a lot of times I just go like this, get the dirt out. There's dirt and dust off, so that you're not filling up your window mop full of dirt every time as well. Do a nice little dust off. Obviously it likes to attract, that metal likes to attract it, and the bottom, you can see how dirty the bottom is. So that's the first step I like to do. After that, you got yourself a towel or a rag, whatever you like to use. I use a 6-inch small squeegee for the frames. Also, I got a 16-inch mop here with my solution. And I like using the Moermon Accelerated 2.0 with the liquidator channel. This one's a 14-inch. I have a bigger channel as well, but these really are like a zero detail type of squeegee, where you can get into the edges and you don't have to really detail with the towel afterwards. So that's something good. So a couple different techniques here. Make sure you're lined up. You want to start working your mop into the window to start getting that solution starting to foam up. You want to go across, come down, get all the sides here, and come back down and go across. And I like to, if it's really hot out, kind of go back over it again. It's really dirty. Now you got your squeegee in hand. Techniques: come across, come down, come back across, come down. Kind of work it in. And you can tell it's already drying so fast that I'm gonna have to put more solution on. So it's drying so fast, check it out. The edges are already drying. And I'll have to remop that. So you wanna make sure you have plenty of solution. It's already probably 75, 80 degrees out here, getting warm. So make sure your mop is full of water and that you're getting there nice and fast. Take too long, it's gonna dry up on you. So this technique is called fanning. And then you want to close that at the end. You can come down, push all that away from the frame. After that's done, get your towel. If you got some water still coming down, wipe the frame down, the inside of the frame, real quick. And then I like using 6-inch squeegee. Come across, get your frame, let that off. Even underneath, you're gonna have drippage. And then a quick wipe. Windows clean. Let me demonstrate that again. So make sure you got plenty of solution, right? I like to keep my squeegee in my right hand my mop solution in my left hand, that we can save some time and you can move a lot quicker. Go across, down, across, up, back. I do a couple extra if they're really dirty. Make sure I cover all that. Down, down again. Want to make sure you go all the way to the edge so that I'm not missing anything. You can close out this way as well. Okay, it's all clean there. Get your excess off the frames there. Let's do a double take. Make sure you got any spots dripping there. If you got any smears, just go over it, you know. That's inside. Quick wipe. There you have it. That's window cleaning. So if anybody's looking for some more tips, check out my channel. If you're looking to get your windows clean, I do single stories, 2 stories, condos, storefronts, businesses, commercial, whatever you look for to get it clean. And give me a call, inside, outside, window track cleaning, detailing, any of that stuff. Look us up on Facebook at Phoenix Solar Gleam and Clean. Look at my website. It's going to be phoenixsolarcleaning.com. Okay, phoenixsolarcleaning.com. Reach out to me, instant message me, whatever you're comfortable, and we'll get you cleaned up and started. So we're going to continue to clean here. I just want to do one demonstration for you. So let me check out the next window here.